Hello there, I'm Dr. Purnendu Roy. I'm the Chairman and Managing Director of Genesis Group of Company. I have a good news to give. 3rd of October 2021, we launched the first health cafe in West Bengal with a twist. Your question immediately will be, what do you mean by health cafe with a twist? Aren't there any other health cafe? Health cafe means we are not just trying to say that you have to eat only vegetables and healthy food. You know how we conceptualize this? Because we also run a hospital and the patients have always been asking about the importance of food and how they can be served healthy food. And then we realize you have to be only a patient just to have healthy food. Just to try to let you know, is there anybody who doesn't like good food, and whenever you think of good food you think, is it bad for health? I was also under the impression that I was eating very healthy and was trying to reduce weight till 2 years back when I first had my heart attack, and that was the time when I had an emergency angioplasty and 2 stents put in my coronary arteries. And do you know, only after that I managed to lose 22 kg in 9 months time, not by doing exercise, not by running or going to gym. It's eating properly. You can't believe how I looked 2 years back before my heart attack, and nobody even warned me that it is time to start considering reducing weight and eating healthy. So today we are going to tell you that it is not only in the hospital or to the patient. Can we give healthy food which is tasty, and can we make people aware of it, that how important it is? And that's why the launch of Ecclesiastes Cafe. So then we felt that should this idea be only for inpatient and outpatient people in the hospital? Why not for the mass? So we immediately conceptualized, and we have in-house dietitians who actually calculated each and every food, its nutritious value, its calorie content, carbohydrate, fat content, and how we can actually serve the food, make it tasty, but it is good for health. How many of you people know that one of the major problem of high blood pressure and the people having heart attack in our country so early in age because of salt sodium chloride consumption? If we see in olden times, the sadhus and the widow ladies, they used to have shandok salt, that is rock salt. In Ecclesiastes Cafe, all the cooking is done with rock salt, which is potassium chloride and not sodium chloride. So we can take care of your heart. And the second thing is, we wanted to bring a social aspect, because when we go out to eat, we don't think of anything else. Here we want to tell you that each time you have a meal in Ecclesiastes Cafe, somebody in Sundarban, the tiger victim widow or the fatherless child, gets a eco-friendly ration, and also they get certain help and supply for the education, which is done from our trust, GECT, Genesis Educational and Charitable Trust. Last 12 years we are working, and we have adopted about 800 tiger victim widows and about 1,000 children. So now we wanted to let people know that when you eat over here, somebody gets something to eat and get a ration and get the education in Sundarban, and it goes via our trust, GECT. Next thing that we also thought of, people don't like to go to hospital to know about their health situation. So we have dietary consultations in-house. The dietary consultant will also take care of charting your food and total menu, how you should eat, and also in case if you are very scared to go to a hospital to check your lipid profile, here we will get the phlebotomist who will collect the blood, and we will do the test and send it to you through WhatsApp or through email, and you will come to know that what's the present status. And if we do detect some things, we can follow it up, because we are not only in just doing a cafe, because we run a hospital and we can follow it up and we can treat your problems. How many diabetics would like to know that there are many ways we can plan your diet properly? People start thinking only about intermittent fasting, benefits of fasting, different type of diet, Atkins diet, complete zero carb, keto diet. But here what we are trying to say, that you can have healthy food, tasty food, learn it from the expert, and also get the support of the healthcare facility that we have. And you yourself will be supporting thousands of people in Sundarban just by coming and eating in Ecclesiastes Cafe. Don't get confused. Health Cafe means we are only talking about health and the food is not tasty. Come and visit Ecclesiastes. Check on the menu. It's not only nutritious and good for health, it's tasty. And also try and see, we have kept the interiors with an idea so that the ambience is a concept of go green. So we have indoor plants, we have aquarium fish everywhere, which is known that it is the best stress buster. So in case if you want to have a good time, eat good food, feel relaxed, feel chilled, enjoy the ambience. This is the festive season. This is Durga Puja time. Happy Durga Puja to all of you. So please come and visit Ecclesiastes Cafe. Eat lovely, nutritious, delicious and healthy food. Eat healthy drink, which we have met. If you can see the menu, that how even a drink can be lovely to taste, but be healthy and be happy.